Navia All-in-One Zero Brokerage App. Welcome to Navia. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and manage basket orders and also how to set up SIPs on your equity baskets. What is a basket order? A basket order allows you to execute multiple orders in just one single click, like a shortcut for execution of set of orders. You can also create SIPs or SWPs on an equity basket to automate the systematic buying or selling of the stocks. Now let's see how to create a basket and add orders to it. Log in to the Navia app, go to the bottom menu and tap Tools and then select Basket. Tap Create Basket. Enter a name and click on Create Basket. Now you will be prompted to add items. You can also add stocks through the order form. Search for your stock as usual and in the buy page click on the basket icon and add the order to your selected baskets. While adding the stocks, you can choose between stocks or futures or options. Click on it. Adjust order details like buy or sell, order type that is between intraday or delivery, and order mode that is choose between market or limit or stop loss market. Modify details like quantity, price, trigger price, disclosed quantity or slice quantity. Tap Add Symbol. Your order has been successfully added to basket. If you wish to add more stocks, click Add Another Item. You can also bulk upload or download basket stocks, perfect for backup or sharing with your friends on Navia. Click the Upload button to bulk upload and click on this button to download your basket orders. Inside your basket, you can see the number of orders and its name, total value and total margin. Using the Edit button, tap the Edit icon below your basket, select the order and it will expand. Modify order details such as quantity, price, trigger price, disclosed quantity or slice quantity. Now edit order type between MIS or CNC. Select between market, limit, stop loss market or stop loss. Tap Apply. Your basket will be successfully updated. To delete an order, tap the delete icon. Confirm by choosing yes. To delete a basket, tap the delete icon. Note: this will remove all the orders inside the basket. SIP order. Tap on the SIP order button. Set the frequency that is between weekly or monthly and enter the number of installments. Select the day of the week for weekly or the day of the month for monthly. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Activate SIP. Your SIP order will be updated. Click on Done. You can also pause the SIP anytime or delete it if you no longer need it. Place order. Tap on Place order. Select or deselect the orders you want to execute. Tap on the order to expand. Adjust the price or quantity if required. Click Place order to proceed. Confirm by tapping Yes. Your selected orders will be sent to the exchange. Here are some important points for you to remember. For SIP orders, SIPs are allowed only on the equity baskets. If your chosen day is a holiday, then your order will be processed on the next working day. Do ensure that you have enough funds in your trading account. If not, your order will be rejected and it will not be retried the next day. The next retry will happen only on the next SIP date. The total margin shown is an estimate. The actual margin may vary slightly. Partial execution may occur if your funds are insufficient or if an instrument isn't available. For basket orders, you can create up to 20 orders in one basket and create up to a maximum of 50 baskets in total. There are no extra charges for using basket orders. For equity stocks, the orders are executed in the order that they are listed. If your basket has options, all the buy orders go first, followed by the sell orders. This helps reduce the margin usage. Navia also offers ready-made all-weather ETF baskets designed for hassle-free investing. You can check out the link below to explore them and get started right away. Follow Navia Markets for more information and install the app now. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.